So the first step is add the web scraper, the free web scraping. So to your Chrome, add extension. Okay, see it is done. Now you can use this one. So what we want to do, we want to extract, say, from Yelp.com. I'm writing accountants from where? From, say, Albuquerque, New Mexico. Okay. So what we can see, here are the results, all results from here. Okay, starts from here. So we found John Bell, CPA. We have found, okay, and we can see that multiple pages are there. Okay, so we need the information about those companies, the company name, what kind of services they are providing, and their address, their location. Okay, so we need all of this. And to do that, see, we have already added the extension, the Chrome extension. Just right click here, okay, and you can see inspect. If you just click on the inspect, okay, see that after clicking on the inspect, you will find the elements, console, source, many things, and you will also find the web scraper. It means that it's there. Okay, okay, now here you go. So let me make it a little bit smaller. Okay. And the first step after doing that is create a sitemap. Okay, create new sitemap. Okay, create sitemap. Okay, and here the sitemap, I'm naming it as Yelp. And we want to extract data from this page, so I'm copying this one. And here is the URL, paste over here. Okay, create sitemap. Okay, that's good. And add new selector. And for this one, so business name. Actually, this should be my parent one, so that is why I'm not writing. Okay, accountants. Okay, accountants from here, and we want to add all of these. These are the links. Can you see that? When you click over here, you can see the link. Okay, you can see the link. There is a link. So the type should be selected as link. Okay, and since we are going to select multiple companies, so for this one, there is another option, see, multiple. So you click on multiple and say click on select. After selecting, you will just see the color changes. So select this one, and then I'm going down, select this one. After selecting 2 or 3, you will find that all the other companies have been automatically selected. Can you see that? Okay, so it's done. This part is done. This is step. So we have selected all the accountants, and see that the type is link because these are the links. And don't forget to check on the multiple. Done selecting, and then save selectors. Okay, so this is our parent link. Okay, and within this link, we want to add the business details. Okay, and there will be our columns. So click over here. Okay, now meaning these columns, see that these columns will be created within what? Within accountants. Okay, now add new selectors. So it is our time now to select, say, what I'm doing. We want to, I'm clicking over here. going to the detail. So we can see here is the name and what kind of services they are offering, accountants and tax services. And then we will find the company C address over there, correct? And here we can find the zip code. It will be helpful for us. And here is the phone number. And we don't have much more over there. Okay, so these are the information. The first one is name, business name. Okay, business name, and this the type is only text. There is no link over here, so text is fine. And select. See, if we select over here, okay, it is selecting. Done selecting. Okay, we are done with our first variable, first column. So just save selector. See, business name is there. Add new selector. Okay, why we want to add the type of services? Okay, service type. I'm writing service types. Okay, it's also text. See, we can see the text and the select. And see, I'm selecting over here, and then okay, done selecting. This is just a repetitive task, and you will just, we are just adding new columns, okay? Think about an Excel file, so in which you have different columns. We are just adding different columns. Then we need to add the address, okay? Here is the address, okay? So what I'm doing, address, this is also text, and then select. Here it is, done selecting. Save selector. Again, we want to pick this one, see the zip code, we need that. Then zip code, select again, and here is the zip code. Done selecting. Save selector. We want also the phone number, okay? So phone, it's also text. So select, and let's see what is the phone number. Okay, here it is. Select, okay. Done selecting. Save selector, okay. So we have set them. Now, if we go to the sitemaps, we have this Yelp. Then within Yelp, we have accountants, okay? And now we want to add another one for scraping multiple pages. See, if we run this script now, it will collect data only for the first list of the companies, but we can see that there are other pages. See, if we go down, see, we have multiple pages, correct? Okay, so to do that, we need to add another selector for different pages, and I'm calling this one say page. And since these are the links, I'm selecting links. Okay, and there are multiple pages, and then select. So now what we'll do, we see, okay, see that all of them are automatically selected. So done selecting, then save selectors. Now go to the edit. We want to select all of them. Okay. Save selectors. Okay. Now we are done with the select, and let's see whether we have done it correctly. Selector graph. If we go over there, the root. Say we have two accountants. Okay. Many things over there. All of them. And let's see what over the page. On the page we have accountants. Yes, you will find graph like this, okay? And let's start. Scrape. We are starting the scraping. I don't know, sometimes it doesn't work for a tiny little mistake. So far we have done it correctly. And let's see. It's scraping data from different pages. So that is why it's going to the different pages.